back with another video. So today's video, I'm really excited. I'm also very nervous. So today I'm going to be opening my Igirl bundle. So I ordered an Igirl bundle and I'm just so excited. She had them on sale and they were only $130 or something. Before we start, I just want to say, just kind of ignore my background because I'm in the process of redoing my room. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and just open this up. I'm so nervous. I really don't know why I'm so nervous. Okay, so here we go. This is what it looks like. Came with this little package. Oh, and then there's her face. This is what's in here. We have this little sticker that says Internet Girl and it has a little like mall goth thotty on it. And then we have her, so then it has all of her ats and everything. And then we have this little letter. So this is the letter that she gives. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this first because it'll just give away whatever is in here. First, so I see these. Okay, these are actually like kind of really cool. They're these snake skin type of pants. They're like flared out. This would be something I would never like pick up myself, but these are actually kind of like everything. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling these, so I don't know. I'll show you like a close-up of them, but it has like these like little like checkerboards in the snake skin, and so I don't know. These are just so like not me, but I could probably rock these really hard, so I don't know. Like I don't know how to feel about these, but like I also like, really like them. So next I see this grommet belt, which I already have like so many grommet belts, and I literally just ordered a freaking grommet belt. That's so funny. I ordered a leather grommet belt, but I love this, so I'll probably give away the other one that I have and keep this one. Gotta love a freaking grommet belt. I love grommet belts so much. Okay, so next I see okay, oh my god. Okay, this is like everything. We have this Edward. Okay, this is actually oh my god. Okay, I love this. I'm not even gonna lie, I love this. This is this Edward Scissorhands little baby tee, and I love baby tees, and I can never find like baby tees, like small ones like this. So this is this a kid size large, but oh my god, this is amazing. I cannot wait to style this with stuff. Like already, like oh my god, I already know what I can wear this with. So this is so amazing. I love this. So next, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is so cute. So this is a Royal Bones little sweater, and because this is like everything. This is like so me right now. So it has this little corset design. Oh my god. And like in the corset it's lace. This is so freaking adorable. Okay, like I need an everyday little goth moment, so this is like amazing. And this is a size small, and I don't have anything from this brand, Royal Bones. I've been wanting some stuff from this brand, so this is amazing. So it just looks like that, and I'll try everything on and put it together. Next thing that I see, I'm already like, oh my god, yes. Oh my god. Okay, so this right here, I love this. This is amazing. So it is this like little camisole thingy, almost like a slip camisole thing. I don't know, but this is so cute. This is amazing. I love this so much. It's red and black, like that is my favorite color combo right now. So this is so cute, and it has little floral detailing in it, flower in it. So that's really cute, and I don't have anything like this, so I'm like really excited about this. And then last item in here of clothing, we have this little skirt. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. I don't know if this will fit. This looks a little bit too big from the waist, but it's so cute, and I've just been buying like a bunch of black little skirts like this recently, so I really like this. This is so cute. And then at the bottom here we have this little package here. So it has another little sticker, which is so adorable. So we have this sticker first, and it's just another little Igirl sticker. We have our little heart. This is the anarchy heart. And then we have this, which I'm so excited about this. This is a little leather choker. It says Libra on it because I am a Libra, so this is so cute. This is actually one of her custom jewelry pieces. Like she makes her own jewelry. So this is really cute. I really like that. So the last item is in this little box, so I'm really nervous / excited about that. We're gonna just open it up. I'm actually really like loving those looks. Okay, Bella, come through. Okay, so We have the little she-devil hoops. I actually told her like, I had been wanting some she-devil stuff. These are so cute. Like, what? Like, oh my god. Okay. Ooh, okay. Hold up, hold up. Oh, okay. So, whoa, I was not expecting this. Wait, what? Oh, so I think this is a pant chain, I want to say. No, wait, what is this? Maybe it's just like, oh, maybe it's like just a chain, like a big chunky chain. Okay, so we have that, and that looks like that. Next I see these little sunnies here, which are really, really cute. Okay, so these look like this. They're actually really cute. So that was everything that was in the bundle. So I'm gonna go ahead and read this little thingy really quick. So it says, "Hi Angel, I was super excited to style this custom look for you. I just wanted to take this moment to tell you how I pull it together from head to toe. To accessorize, I included some staple pieces that you can stack up with either of your looks. The Zodiac Choker is your sign, the glossy black Deadstock Kiss Sunnies, and the chunky AF chain that you can wear wrapped around twice for a layered necklace look or as a pant chain with your first look option. For your bod, I included two options for you. One, for your first look option, I went very Toopoor inspired. Hop on that Amaze Edward Scissorhands baby tee with those insane green reptile print statement pants by Revolt. I peeped some super cute baby tees in your Depop like, so I thought that you would totally swoon over this combination." Yes, like, oh my god, whenever I saw that Edward Scissorhand baby tee, I was like, yes. Like, that is like literally my favorite. Those and the pants, I feel like those are my favorite pieces out of this whole look, or this whole like thing. I also threw in that classic black grommet belt and chunky AF chain that you can throw on for some extra Toopoor realness. And when you mentioned Molgoth, I also decided to bless you with this to die for Royal Bones lace-up zipper sweater. OMFG. This piece is absolutely amazing, so I just had to throw it in for you. Hard eyes. Or two, since your first fit is very Molgothy, I wanted to include a look that is perf for your Courtney love request. Slip into the divine red and black 90s Le Chateau tank top with the most perfect black skirt with velvet floral details. I absolutely love how this fit looks paired with all the accessories that I included. I felt that both of these look options really embodied your theme and will look so cute on your body. I would complete these fits with your favorite pair of combat boots for the ultimate grunge vibe or whatever you want. Thank you for trusting in my creativity, and I hope you enjoy the look. Eternal love, Bella at Internet Girl." So that's what the note looks like. So she just tells you like how to put everything together. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like on. So yeah, I will be right back with that. Okay, so this is what the look looks like. This is how she would style it. I don't know, I'm just very weird about going out of my comfort zone and trying stuff like I would never try on. So it's really cool to see how somebody else would style me. And I really actually like how this looks together. I would definitely like rock this. So this is just what it looks like. And this shirt fits so amazing. I don't know, she just like, she knows what she's doing. If you give her your correct measurements and everything, she knows what she's doing. Even the skirt looked like big and when I was holding it, and it fits like really, really good. I was really nervous. I don't know if that's gonna like look good on me, but it actually really does. So I'm like really, really excited. So I would wear this outfit with this choker. I just really like how my hair and makeup look with this outfit today. I don't know, it's just a look, and I'm like, I actually want to go take pictures in it now. But yeah, and then this is from my personal closet. I would probably wear this like little bag with it because this is the Courtney Love look and it's just really grunge. I don't know, I'm just like really feeling myself right now. I'm like, yes Bella, you went off. And then personally I would style these two pieces like, separately as well. They go good together, but they also would like look really good with something else. So I think this was like the first look. This was my Toopoor, I think like Molgoth look. So yeah, I actually really also like this one. I would never personally buy like these pants if I was like on my own going shopping. I would personally never buy these, but like again, like I said, she knows what she's doing and she knows how to style you. So I don't know, she just like pulled this look together. So this is a chain and I just wrapped it around my neck twice. And then we have my little she-devil hoops. I don't know if I would personally wear these with this outfit. I don't know, I feel like it would look weird. I don't know, maybe it doesn't, I don't know, you tell me. And then I just paired my chunky like 90s boots with these. I don't know if I would wear these boots per se, definitely like a boot. I might wear like my Unif Frankie boot with this outfit. This is also the grommet belt that she included. And these pants again are just like so like sick, kind of out of my comfort zone. This Edward Scissorhands baby tee is just like everything. I'm so obsessed. Like I've been looking for like a goth baby tee everywhere. It's so hard to find them. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know if she would personally like put this and these glasses with this outfit. I probably personally wouldn't put them together. I would like wear this with something more casual. I feel like this is more of a little bit of dressier look. So I feel like I would pair this with something more casual. And then these sunnies are also really, really cute. And I always just love a really good pair of vintage sunnies. So yeah, and I can't tell if these are like black. I think they're black. But yeah, I'm just like really like excited about this. So this is like the mall goth part of the look, and it really is a mall goth look. So I really, really love this like little jacket. It's so, so cute. Oh, and then the little zipper has a little dog bone. It's so cute. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so that was both of the looks put together and put on. And I just am like so surprised in like what she's doing. I just really, really have like so much more respect from her after buying a bundle. So I follow her very closely and like on Instagram and stuff, and she's like up day and night like putting these bundles together. It doesn't matter who you are, like she's going to put together a really good look. I know that sometimes she gets bad reviews, but I generally feel like she doesn't do it on purpose. If anything, like it's the person who like ordered the bundles' fault. I feel like you have to be really specific with what you want, and you have to also think it's like her own sense of style, what she would personally put together with a look that you want inspired by somebody else. Everybody has their own style, and everybody's take on something is not always the same. So you might say that you want one thing and she might have her own way of putting it together and doing stuff her own way, and you might think, well, this is not what I really wanted. But you have to think like her putting it together, not you. So you have to take that in mind, and like you have to be able to want to try something really different, and just trust her. No, I was just very nervous because I did see some reviews where people were getting like bundles that weren't good. But I can tell that she does really put a lot of work and effort into like putting these bundles together. And I really want another one. I feel like once you get one and you are really happy with it, you want another one. It's just a really, really cool concept, this whole Igirl bundle thing. I know that she's gonna stop doing these soon, and I know that she said like if she ever does them again, like they're gonna be a lot more than they are now. But I'm so happy that I at least got to experience one bundle. I'm just really happy about everything that I got. It feels so cool to have somebody else style you and put you in something that you wouldn't normally go for yourself. I really suggest trying to get one of these bundles before she stops selling them, because it is just like really, really worth it. I feel like she always gives like so much more than she has to. So she's a really awesome person. So yeah, go follow her. I'll leave all of her stuff below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like. See you in the next one. Bye.